Why is temperature stability important in poultry houses, and how does BeneCent help?
Stable temperatures ensure healthy poultry. Our thermal insulation keeps conditions stable, lowering energy costs. Since 1990, we've built over 1 million square feet of poultry houses in the Middle East, proving our expertise.
How does sound insulation benefit poultry operations?
Poultry need calm. Our sound insulation reduces noise, boosting productivity.
How does BeneCent's fire resistance protect poultry investments?
Fire safety is key. Fire-resistant materials also resist moisture, rodents, and birds, ensuring durability. Plus, we handle heavy snow loads. So, in places like North America, we remain safe under gravity loads.
Why is speed of construction crucial in poultry operations?
We built 60 to 80% faster than conventional methods. Since 1990, this speed has allowed us to complete hundreds of projects with a minimal downtime.
How does BeneCent's cost efficiency impact both construction and operation?
We cut initial cost with efficiency, and our insulation reduces long-term energy costs, maximizing profitability.